not the banana. No, he's still going. Banana, that good. This Porsche is mad. Holy crap, that's a nice Mustang. Damn, son. Go, Kendra! Yeah! Oh, no! Right, seeming as though someone actually wanted this video, which I'm so surprised about. So I'll start by, well, I've re-put the seats in from, because I've actually been driving it around. And I'm going to retake the seats out, but first of all I'm going to start with this, so as you can probably tell it's really, yeah, nice and beautiful. Yeah, no, it isn't really. I'm going to clean it up, put the vacuum on it. So I've just put the mat in, and I've just been fiddling around with the side skirt, or this bit here. I just realised I didn't film actually a lot of things, so a couple hours have passed. I've gotten all this stuff out, and I've started spray painting, so it's coming out really nice. Like, this used to be blue. I don't know if I have any videos of it before, but so pretty much, like, I'll show you before and after. Oh gee, I wonder which one you can tell is spray painted, which one isn't. Like, yeah, it's a pretty big difference. This is what it like looks like before, and I'll show you what it looks like after. Only a couple hours later, it's finally dry. Looks good. Looks a lot cleaner. Like, compared to like the carpet. The carpet used to be shocking. Now it's a lot better. This actually stays in as well. Everything actually works so much better. Alright, we're back to another pointless video because everyone actually wants it. Not. I'm just going to put the rest of this in because I don't... I'll keep the doors out and maybe the back seat because they're going to get restitched. But I'll put the rest of it in to see what it looks like. And we'll go from there. It's hard to video, but I've just put in this panel here. And it looks... I got it really... Wait, I just... Oh god. So, I got it really flush here, and it works so well now. Oh shit. After all that, I left the seatbelt. No! Now it's properly done because, yeah, oh. It was like that in the first place. No. So it's all flush here, and now the seatbelt comes out of that gap. Haha! Now we're just putting the boots surrounding in, so I believe this one here, this one, right side, right side, I think that one's right side here. What is it? I think it is. Yeah, I think that goes like that, because that hole ends up there. So I think it goes like that, and that, oh yeah, that goes into this one here. It's like a huge jigsaw puzzle. This one goes here. So yeah, I think that goes like that, and I'll just quickly go like, I may or may not have skipped a couple steps because I may have finished the back end. Yeah, I'm not really the best at, I keep forgetting to film, but yeah, I got it pretty much all in except for the passenger seats and the seat belts. Deciding I'm going to do something different. Instead of doing the car, I'm just going to set up this. So I got a, what is it? 1800 by 1800, I think, again. It's a shelf, and I'm going to clean up that space there and actually put it all there. Just moved a couple things, but then I need to clarify something, so I'm just going to build a shelf. Oh, you can barely even see it. Wait, let me come from this angle then. Hey, it's complete. It was like Legos. But time to put it in the corner. Alright, ready? And ta-da! Oh wait, you can barely even see. Damn it. But we've got the shelf here. And then you got your walk-in part.